Checked.
What's going on, guys? It is
Hearthstone
Bree
row 1
or
column 2
Bree
2
the
of 2.
Blind, depending on what
Hearts.
you want to call me. Like I said, I like to use either one, but it's me. And today we're playing Hearthstone. I think we're gonna
Play casual 2 of 12.
just some ranked mode.
Play ranked 1 of 12.
And
Play
I think
standard
we'll
1 of
just
2.
play some.
Play wild 2 of 2.
I think we'll go ahead and play as.
Play wild. Choose your deck 1 of 3. Read bronze 7. 3 out of 3 stars. 2-star bone. 3 out of 3 stars.
Shut up! I didn't want to do that.
Bronze 7. Read current rank 2 of 3. Back 3 of 3. Read current rank. Choose your deck 1 of 3. Choose your deck.
Sorry.
Demon Hunter 3 of 13.
I think we'll just go ahead and play as a Demon Hunter again. I like to play as Jaina, but I think today we'll just go as a Demon Hunter and just see how far we get. If we lose, we lose. It's all right. And yeah, so that's what we're doing today.
Finding opponent. Please wait.
And hope everyone is well. And if you like stuff like this, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share any of this with your friends if they like stuff like this, because it helps me out and all of that fun stuff.
Illidan versus Malfurion.
Oh, brother,
You're playing against
brother.
Evils, the Druid. You start with 3
It
cards.
isn't
You go
over
first.
between us, brother.
Starting hand. Keep or replace cards. Dire Wolf Alpha 1 of 3.
Sorry, I have to drink coffee. Like, yeah.
Your turn. You have 1 mana. You drew Chillwind Yeti.
Alright, let's see here.
Hand. Dire Wolf Alpha 1 of 4. 2 mana. Chillwind Yeti. 4 Spectrals. 2 mana. Chillwind Yeti. 4 mana. Hero power. Demon Claws. You use Demon Claw. Your hero. Choose a target. Opponent's hero. Your hero attacked your opponent's hero. Your opponent's hero took 1 damage. Turn ended. Your hero lost 1 attack. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card.
Sometimes with
Your opponent
Illidan,
played the coin. Gain 1 mana crystal this turn
he's
only.
like
Your opponent
just
gained 1 mana.
uber grumpy. My god. At least
Your
that's what I
opponent played
think.
Innervate. Gain 1 mana crystal this turn only. Your opponent gained 1 mana.
Time waits for no one.
Time waits for no one. Yeah, run the clock out. Come on, let's go.
Your opponent played Power of the Wild. Choose 1. Give your minions 1/1. Or summon a
Really?
3/2 Panther.
Come on.
10 seconds remaining. Your opponent summoned
Run the
Murloc
clock
type
out.
color. 1/2 whenever you summon a Murloc. Gain
Run
1
the
attack.
clock out.
Turn ended. Your turn.
Ah, damn it.
You have 2 mana. You drew Raid Leader. Hand.
Alright,
Dire
let's
Wolf
see
Alpha 1
here.
of 5.
We're gonna
Summon.
pick you.
You summon
I
Dire Wolf
concede.
Alpha. You win.
What? Okay, that's fine.
Press enter to
Let's do it
continue.
again.
You've gained 1 XP. Star bonus. ×2. Win streak bonus. ×2. You've earned 4 stars. You are now bronze 5.
I
You have
won.
1 out of 3 stars.
Which was stupid, because
Reward. Open your chest at the end of the season. Quest progress toast. Play 10 game. Choose your deck. Demon Hunter 3. Finding opponent. Please wait.
we're going again. That was just dumb. The person, like, just quit on me. So, that sucks.
Illidan versus Malfurion.
Come on.
You're
must
playing against
protect
the Druid.
the wild.
You start with 4 cards.
It
Your
isn't
opponent goes
over
first.
between us, brother.
Starting hand. Keep or replace. Waiting for opponent.
If they concede again, then this is gonna be like the shortest video I've ever put up.
You get the coin. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent summoned Worgen Infiltrator. 2/1 stealth.
Okay, they put a working up. Maybe this one will actually
Time
be
waits
worth
for
it.
Turn
no
ended.
one.
Your turn. You have 1 mana. You hand. Crimson Sigil Runner 1 of 6. Summon.
They will never catch me.
You hand. Wrathscale Knock. Stranglethorn Tiger. Aldraki. The coin 4 of 6. You played the coin. Hero power. You used your hero. Your hero. Choose a opponent's hero.
Vengeance is
Your
mine.
hero attacked your opponent. You have no valid plays.
Okay,
Turn
we're good.
ended. Your
Let's
hero
go.
lost 1 attack. Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card.
Come on, make this worth something, person. Like, actually put up a fight.
Your opponent summoned Murloc Tide Hunter. 2-1 battle cry. Summon a 1-1 Murloc Scout. 1 Murloc Scout was summoned into your
I hate
opponent's
Murlocs,
battlefield.
but let's go.
Your opponent's Worgen Infiltrator attacked your hero. Your hero took 2 damage. Turn ended. Your turn. You have 2
I
mana.
concede.
You drew Retro Razorhawk.
Are you
win.
serious?
Press enter to continue. You've gained 10 XP. You've gained 1 XP. Win streak bonus. ×2. You've earned 2 stars. You are currently bronze 5. You have 3 out of 3 stars.
Okay.
Quest progress toast. Play 10 games of Hearthstone's ranked mode. Current progress is 3 out of 10. Choose your deck. Demon Hunter 3
We're
of
gonna
13.
play as Jaina and see
4
if
of
we
13.
can actually get somewhere.
Finding opponent. Please wait.
Jaina versus Thrall.
You're
For
playing against
Doomhammer.
Hug's Just, the Shaman.
You asked
You start
for
with 3
it.
cards. You go first. Starting hand. Keep or replace cards. Waiting for opponent. Your turn. You have 1 mana. You drew Boulder Fist Ogre.
Okay.
Hand. Murloc Raider 1 of 4. Summon. You summoned Murloc Raider.
Done.
Turn
Let's
ended.
go.
Opponent's turn. Your opponent drew 1 card. Your opponent played the coin. Gain 1 mana crystal this turn only. Your opponent gained 1 mana. Your opponent summoned Aerotron. 1-2 taunt.
Oh,
Divine
lovely.
Shield. Turn ended. Your turn. You have 2 mana. You drew Murloc Raider. Hand. Wolf Rider 1 of 4. Novice Engineer 2 of 4. Summon at the... Achieved on a roll. Tier 3. You win.
How in the world are people... Okay.
Press enter to continue. You've gained 1 XP. Win streak bonus. ×2. You've earned 2 stars. You are now bronze 4. You have 2 out of 3 stars.
I don't know why people are conceding to me, but I'm not gonna do this anymore.
Quest progress toast. Play 10 games of Hearthstone's ranked mode. Choose your deck. 4. Choose your deck 1 of...
So, sorry this video is so
OBS Studio
short.
3.
I don't know
OBS
what's going on with these people today. If you like stuff like this, again, subscribe and all that stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
Start streaming checkbox. Stop recording.